What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here with this amazing campaign for BTCC. This is limited right now for new users, so you guys got to join quick. I'm going to go through it, explain it, but it's 30,000 USDT. Okay, this is an amazing campaign right now, and I'm going to go through the details here, but to sign up, use the link in the pinned comment, the description, and it's also in my link bio. It should be right here. Basically, you know, when you click the link, right, it should take you like right here. You create an account and you should have automatically Sir Lewis right there in the referral code, basically. Okay, and you can already see it right here. Unlock 30,000 USDT. This is legit. I've been with BTCC for like a year and a half plus, and they've been one of the best, if not the best exchange that I've been using. Okay, they have proof of reserves, very safe in my opinion. And now if you're a new user, right here, missions for the new users, you guys can unlock this 30,000 USDT code right here. Okay, this is amazing. So we can see right here the 7-day campaign. This is the limited time, right? So as soon as you make an account, use my link, you'll be able to register right here. Just registering right here, 10 USDT coupon. Okay, then right here you can see for me already ended because I've been having my account for a long time. Identity verification, KYC, 20 USDT. So these very simple tasks, you're getting USDT, right? It's like a little bit in the beginning, but getting bigger and bigger. So your first deposit, make your first deposit 500 USDT or more to get 20 USDT. Make your first deposit of 200 USDT to get 10 USDT. Okay, so this is another good one right here, depending on how much you deposit, but 500 will get you 20. Then right here, the first futures trade, make your first futures trade within 7 days to get 20 USDT. So, I mean, this could be any amount of trade, right? It could be a $10 trade, any amount that you're comfortable with, and you're going to get 20 USDT coupon with that. All right, then here we got the permanent campaign. So these are the limited ones. You got to do it quick once you guys sign up. And they do have an app, by the way. They have a website and a very user-friendly app as well. Okay, so the permanent campaign, the first spot trade, 5 USDT trading fund voucher. Then you got your first copy trade, and copy trade is just a section here where it's like not real money, and you're like copy trading basically, and you get a 5 USDT coupon just for doing that too. Okay. Then we got the 30-day campaign, limited time. So again, you want to do this as soon as you guys get it. Cumulative deposit, accumulate deposits of 2,000 USDT or more within 30 days to receive 30 USDT trading fund voucher. So that's really good right there, the 30 days right there in your first 30 days. Then we have complete cumulative futures trading volume less than or equal to 500K to receive 10 USDT trading voucher plus 200 USDT fee credit. So that's pretty good. I mean, these are really good campaign right here that they're having for BTCC. I mean, I've never seen them give rewards like this out in a short period of time, to be honest. Then we got this one, complete cumulative futures trading volume less than or equal to 1,500 to receive 20 USDT trading fund voucher plus 300 USDT fee credit. And then right here, complete cumulative futures trading volume less than or equal to 3 million, I believe, right? 3 million USDT to receive 50 USDT trading fund voucher plus 500 USDT fee credit. And again, this is the trading volume, right? So this is not like the amount you're depositing or anything like that. And that, if you're trading regularly, this can accumulate a lot, right? It can grow really big. 90-day campaign, limited time. So this is the 90-day. You can see right here, complete cumulative futures trading volume less than or equal to 10 million USDT to receive 125 USDT. So you can see 1,000 USDT free credit. So it's just increasing here, and it's all based on trading, right? So you want to be active in your first 30 to 90 days, and you're going to be able to accumulate all these rewards, which is equal to like 30,000 USDT. So this is absolutely amazing. Shout out to BTCC, and you can just scroll down and it just gets more and more. Look at this, right? 12,935 USDT. And you can see right here, if you got any questions, what are the trading funds, right? I'll answer right here. What are the coupons, how to check the trading funds and coupons received. Okay. And it should be in your My Rewards section. But yeah, this is absolutely amazing. And by the way, too, it's also KYC free, VPN free. You can register this in the US. It's not like Binance or other crypto exchanges that you can't have in the US. Okay. And this is just the 30,000 USDT make this one your priority once you guys sign up. But they're always having these campaigns after you sign up. They're also having these other campaigns like the New Year Mega Spin and other ones here too that'll keep you guys up to date, of course. But this is a great place to basically get a lot of funds, right? A lot of rewards that you guys can use to trade, and you guys can, make a good amount of money leverage trading, whether you're shorting the market or if you're longing the market. So take advantage of this, guys. And if you guys got any questions, comment below. Also join my free Telegram. You can ask me those questions personally on Telegram. But definitely take advantage of this if you don't have BTCC yet. And if you already have BTCC under my account, you can also participate in this, right? So let me know if you guys think. Comment below. I'll keep you guys up to date on BTCC and their campaigns. And this is where I regularly do leverage trade, even when I'm live streaming. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.